In this video, I will show you how to add TikTok link to Snapchat. First, you need to open up your profile selection on your account on TikTok. Then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side, go for settings and privacy, and right down, as you can see, you have share profile. Go on that button, go for the copy link for selection, then get off from here, go to your Snapchat. And when you join up right here, you need to make sure that you have opened your camera section on your Snapchat, which is, as you can see, on the third selection or on the middle of side section. Go on it, then you can take a picture right now, or you can select from your gallery from your left wing. But I will go and take it right now, just simply to show you how it looks like. Then go on the third selection, on which you can find out here the link session from your side, but also you can check it out from downstairs. From downstairs it will be more easy if you just simplify, show up this side which is for attachments. Just go click on it and it says type a URL. Go type that selection, go paste, and simply go search that box on it. When they give you the say section, you go for attach to snap and simplify. It will appear this setup in which you're gonna simply have the chance to get off and add that link here. Now go send to whatever you want and you have done it.